Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa raziyallahu ta'ala anha narrates that when Prophet Mohammad S.A.W. returned from the Battle of Trench, Ghazwa Khandaq, and began to remove his armor to perform ablution, Hazrat Gabriel appeared in a state where dust was in his head. He inquired, "Have you put down your weapons?" "By Allah, I have not put down mine yet." Prophet Muhammad S.A.W. asked, "In which direction?" Hazrat Jibril pointed towards the direction of Banu Qurayza and said, "Go there." Prophet Muhammad S.A.W. headed towards Banu Qurayza, and they prepared to descend from their fortresses to accept the judgment of the Prophet ﷺ. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ entrusted the decision of Hazrat Sa'd bin Muaz, may Allah be pleased with him, who decreed that the fighting men among them be killed, the women and children be taken as captives, and their wealth be distributed among the Muslims. Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23204.